Welcome to Bike Noise channel. Forgot what I was doing. Hey, you mama them. Welcome to Bike Noise channel, part 3 of our overnight trip looking for fall color we fell in on. Welcome to Bike Noise channel. Run that intro. Hey, how y'all doing? Welcome back to Blue Bike Noise channel on part 3 of our mountain ride, or Chattanooga ride, our overnight trip, exploring the suburb of Chattanooga and checking out wineries and stuff. So you gotta go watch part 1 for the first winery. This is part 2, didn't have no winery in it. This is part 3. We're going to the oldest winery in Georgia. Yeah, buddy, it's called Georgia Winery. Oh, great, a roundabout. You know, they putting in a roundabout near to work with all the truck traffic going in, and they're going to put a roundabout there. It's been a four-way stop for years and years and years. Now they're putting a roundabout in. I don't know why. Somebody got a wired hair up their butt and said, hey, let's start putting in roundabout. We can spend taxpayers' money on improving a four-way stop. Oh boy, in a concert hall. Yeah, buddy, I believe I've been under this one before. Yeah, buddy, concert hall, John, road reality. Yeah, that's a good one. Look at the mountain. One minute you're on the road looking at the scenery, next minute you're in the scenery looking at the road. Whee! Chattanooga. Right here, you turn and go back up towards Rock City and Ruby Falls. But you can't make a right turn from this way. They couldn't see you, so I was using these some tunnels right here. You can go down and explore Camp Rose. It was used during the Civil War. That's I-24 in Chattanooga. We ain't on St. Elmo's Road yet. We fixing to be. Lanes in, merge left. I got a turn down here, so is that a turning lane? Well, guess what, folks? You want to guess, or you want me to tell you? Well, the sign says it all. Welcome back to Georgia. Welcome to Chattanooga Valley. Battlefield Bluegrass Festival. When is it? November 7th, 8th, and 9th. Well, if Mr. Big Truck right here right going up the hill so damn slow. Get out left lane, you. So this winery is supposed to be up here, and I don't know, they're saying I gotta go down and make a U-turn and come back up. But it should be right up here before you get to the interstate. Probably right there where that sign is. There's no turning lane. There is a turning lane. I believe I can turn right there. I believe that's it. I believe I'm wrong. I believe I'm right. I believe I'm right. So that's a big sign that says Georgia Winery tasting. Right next to the subway. Witch's Brew has arrived. Okay. Georgia Winery. Georgia Winery. Right behind. Go in that one. Alright, well this place is pretty neat. We've been there for a while, haven't we? Well, y'all ain't seen that. That dang light come back on. We had a wine slushy. Had three little wine slushy things. And you could taste 5 free. They do free here. Beats that $10 we paid that first place that didn't have nothing worth drinking. To me anyway, she wants the sweet wines and all. All in here was real good. So we got 6 bottles. That should do her for 6 days at least. So we headed down to revisit well, she's never been there, and we over here in Chickamauga, Ringgold, Georgia. And we on the road down and look at a Atomic Mouse. It's a roadside attraction. You might have seen it when me and Mr. Mustache went there when it was real cold. Turn right on red. Go, lady. Dang, lady. Go. Go. It's green. Green means go. Hey, down the concert hall, 11-7. Ringgold Haunted Depot, 11-7. Concert hall, John. Yeah, that's a concert. Here we are, the Atomic Mouse. Yep, Atomic Mouse. Roadside attraction. There you have it, the Atomic Mouse. He's got cameras in his eyes. Tag a photo, eg.com. Alright, see, if you didn't know, you find an Atomic Mouse on roadside attraction, and then you can tag them. Right here, he's got a thing you can tag them. Anyway, but there's a geocache right here. Yep. Let's see here. Oh, look, there's me. And look, you can't believe old Dirty Mr. Mustache has been here. I'm gonna cover him up. I wouldn't do that, but and then you put some inside for somebody. Oh, we got what is that? What is that? It's a little lantern and a dog tag. It says tag bug. Okay, there's somebody knocked your mama news. And there's a rock. Always happy. I don't see. Hey, there's a. Hey, flipping the blue mule. Got you. Nobody wants your sticker. I don't guess. Let's see. I don't see no Mr. Mustaches in here. You got 2? You can come find it. Let's put her sticker on there. And it's right here. Got a bunch of stickers. Flip the Blue Mule been here. He came here right after we did. And check out the Atomic Mouse. Roadside attraction. Whew, I had head rush now. Alright, well, that was a fun little adventure. Yeah. I believe that's a dead-end street, I ain't sure. Alright, it's 5 o'clock. It is. It's warmed up to 76 degrees sitting here in this parking lot. So we went to the Harley dealership and then we came up here to Outback to eat. It was real good. Good service, good food. Aussie, you know. Had some shrimp on the barbie. Prongs, as they call them. That's a big old boat. Yeah, sure, that's a big old boat. Got 4 wheels on each side. That's 8 wheels total. Yeah, buddy. That's a red Mustang. You could have come on out there, buddy. You had plenty of room. So we gonna run down here. How you doing, buddy? Hey, get some more petrol, dead dinosaurs, and then we headed to the hotel room. Well, I got a free night, yeah. Oh, me. Looks like we could have went down and then I'm sitting there, thought I had it in gear. And we gotta set another fucking red light. Exhibit Hall. Book now, Dalton Convenience Center. In-house catering and all that good stuff. Meeting rooms, yeah. Hey, a Red Lobster. The fast food of seafood. Upgrade Long John Silver. Underneath there. Hey, there's already a motorcycle in there. Dang it. Well, the V-Star. Well, here's where we staying at for the night, so you can go check out that video there, that one there. Hit the subscribe button over and give me a thumbs up. And remember, when you're there, you were there. So, yeah, whatever.